Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you clicking on that video as always. And we are back with another rack store haul. I hit Nordstrom rack this time and Saks Off Fifth, which are two stores that honestly, typically near me, do not have very much. But I would absolutely say that on this day at Saks Off Fifth, I saw things that I have not seen there before. Different niche fragrances, as you can see from the video. Although they're priced higher than what you could probably find them online, which I know you can find them cheaper online. There's no question. That's one of the reasons why I passed on them. But part of it is that maybe one of my subscribers, maybe someone watching this video right now, can actually get some value out of it. They didn't realize that these stores had these types of fragrances in them. Maybe you have a $100 gift card sitting in your wallet from last Christmas or something, and you haven't used it yet for Saks Off Fifth or a place like Nordstrom Rack. All of a sudden, now you're getting it cheaper by using a gift card and finding one of these in the rack store. So I think there's benefit to showing you guys what I am able to find in my rack stores. And if you have one of these stores near you, you can go check it out, see what you find. Maybe you get lucky, save some money. I would absolutely love if you guys would take a minute to subscribe to the channel. We are approaching 3,000 subscribers. We are almost there. Really excited, and I am just honored to be able to do these videos, have you guys watch them, and have you like them enough to want to subscribe to my channel. So I appreciate that. But without further ado, let's get into what I grabbed. So there is absolutely no question in my mind, the fragrance that I ended up grabbing, and I only grabbed one this haul, but I think it was a fantastic deal, and without question will be the scent I wear on Christmas, is Spice Bomb Infrared. I'm going to open up the box. We're going to spray it on skin. I'm going to tell you guys what I get from it. I have tried infrared prior to this, so this is not a first sniff, first impressions video. I knew I liked this fragrance, so I'm going to go over it, what the things I like about it, and is this better than Spice Bomb Extreme? Some people think so. So let's get it on skin, and I'll tell you why I'll be wearing it on Christmas. Man, it's so good. In the air, you immediately get that cinnamon and the spice with a little bit of sweetness and some heat to it. So, I mean, the bottle, the name, it could not be more fitting. And you can see here, it has that red juice color in there. It's just this deep sort of resinous red. And it just, man, this stuff, it's so good. This is very, I know there's some red fruits in here. There is cinnamon, obviously. I believe some nutmeg, but it's unlike the others in the Spice Bomb line. And I think this is definitely a competitor for best in line. And I'll tell you why. I quite enjoy Spice Bomb Extreme. Spice Bomb, the original, is, I would not own that fragrance for the reason being strictly that it is just not that interesting to me. There's fragrances that smell similar to it that I like more, like Bulgari's Man in Black, for example, that has a leather note and it's a little bit more upscale to my nose, a little more interesting. This one, it's a little more fun. It's a little more playful and not as serious, and I would almost say a bit more versatile than Spice Bomb Extreme. Spice Bomb Extreme is just that. It's an absolute bomb. You can overspray that fragrance and it can become too much at times. So you really need to be careful on the sprays with Spice Bomb Extreme. I think it just adds a sweetness to it coming from those red fruits that really sort of brings something all together. You're still getting that Victor and Rolf Spice Bomb DNA. So it's still spicy. It's still a bit vanillic, it's still creamy, it's still Spice Bomb, but those red fruits really add to the experience here. As this sort of settles and begins to dry down, that cinnamon still lingers, you're still getting those red fruits, but the tobacco starts to creep in, and it's just a really comforting, warm scent. This is perfect for Christmas time. And I think that with the cinnamon in here, the saffron, those spices, they are just so wonderfully done that you get they evoke that feeling of Christmas. Maybe you're spiking your eggnog with some whiskey or something. So it just, It just really reminds me of Christmas time, food cooking, baking mainly, that cinnamon, apple pie, just the whole thing, it just works. Just perfect for cold days. And some people actually say they get big red gum from this. I can see it. I can do that sort of warm heat from that cinnamon. It does. It kind of just tickles your nostrils a bit and reminds you of big red gum, but that is a good thing for me. I would say that from the line, this is probably the most tame, reeled in version of those other fragrances in the line. They can be absolute monsters projection wise, longevity wise, and that's not a bad thing. There's a place for that. But if you want something a little more put together, a little more tame, not as much of a projector, not as much of a bomb, for lack of a better term, I think this does that beautifully. And if you're going to be around family and friends and a lot of people on Christmas, this is even more of an ideal fragrance where it's not going to choke anyone out. I think if you sprayed a lot of it, you definitely could. There's just something about it that just works. I think they nailed this one. They did a really fantastic job. It sort of suits what the occasion would be that this would work best in perfectly. And for me, that's Christmas. So Spice Bomb Infrared from Viktor and Rolf. That's all I have today, guys. I just want to wish everyone a very Merry Christmas. I just hope that you guys have a fantastic time with your families and your friends and whatever you're celebrating, be it Christmas or Hanukkah, whatever. I just hope that you get the most from it. So from my family to yours, happy holidays. That's all I have today, guys. Let me know in the comment section below if you have tried Viktor and Rolf Spice Bomb Infrared. I like this one, so I'd be curious to know if you guys enjoy it as well. Let me know in the comments. If you like what you saw today, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you're updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.